This is On Tilt Trading. Let's review my trade on Ripple today. Ripple, I noticed setting up based on the Camarilla pivot system on Camarilla pivot R3. So this is the 1 minute chart. This is the 15-minute chart. This is the 4-hour chart. This purple line that you're seeing here, this is Camarilla pivot R3 right here. Come down to the 15-minute for this one. This is Camarilla pivot R3 right here. This is Camarilla pivot S3 right here. This trade idea is an R3 to an S3 traverse. We'll come in here. Actually, we can stay out to where we're at now. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here on the chart. So price action here on the 4-hour below the 200 EMA. Price action below the 200 EMA, or at least when you're here on the 15-minute, you can see with my entry, this is where its price action is selling off under the EMA here on the 15-minute. And you can see up here on the 1 minute, price action is consolidating in a range here before it closes under the 200 EMA here, sells off, and then the 200 EMA holds. Sellers are able to hold the price below the 200 EMA for most of the day. Pretty lengthy trade here, but yeah, that's what got my attention first, is being here at Camarilla pivot R3, and then having the price action correlate on the 4-hour, the 15-minute, and the 1 minute correlate with the price action below the 200 EMA. That was a green light to trade this currency pair. I'll walk you through, or this is quite long here on the 1 minute, but we'll go up to, I'll show you with my ads here. So I take the entry here at the R3 level, and as it's breaking down here at the at both the 200 EMA and the R3 level, I put my stop back here above this high and took my entry here. Currency pair sells off, comes back to test this 200 EMA here. So when it tests here, I add. This add is a bit late. Ideally, I'm adding somewhere around this candle here, this first sell candle, but I'm actually adding here at this third red candle here. So I was late to add. I didn't have an original plan to add, but based on the price action, this was setting up pretty textbook. So I indulged what I was seeing and added to the position. This area right here, this was another opportunity to add. Actually, this candle right here, I was looking at, I don't know, maybe like close to 14 or so to 1, with putting a stop back here. Also with this add here, I believe I just put my stop just above this here. But I didn't add here. I didn't know if I would be doing too much, if this would turn back around on me. It was just setting up pretty nicely. Also, the fact that I've just adjusted my charts. I was trading off of the 15 primarily, which the 200, the price action doesn't stay close to the 200 every day. But with this 1 minute, it stays close to it quite a bit. And if you get a good entry, like you're seeing here, it can respect the 200 here pretty well before it finally here started to sell off into some pressure. We can see the volume profile elevated. We can see on the slow stochastic oversold conditions, and we can see here sellers sellers here with momentum and the MACD trading below the average here. So that's when the selling pressure really came in. But before then, didn't take advantage of this opportunity to add here. And it definitely got into my psychology. If you see my pre-market analysis video from this morning, I'm talking about it because it was pretty fresh at that time. And we can see here the one is not completely respected. You can see here closing above it for a few candles. Again here. I add, I make another add here, but this isn't in relation to the 1 minute chart. This is actually in relation to the 15-minute chart here. If you can see here where I add, this is where price action contacts the 15, the 200 EMA here on the 15-minute, which that facilitated me to add to that position. And even though I missed this particular add up here, this gave me another opportunity. I took it here, which was a bit late. Probably could have taken it a candle or maybe two above, but I was late to catch the price action. Again, still violating the or closing above the 200 EMA here on the 1 minute, but respecting the 200 EMA here on the 15-minute, and nowhere near the 200 EMA here on the 4 hour, and then on to target here at 1837, which is 37 minutes after the open of the crypto market. So this trade was initiated this morning at 4:15. This is the ad. This is the second ad, and this is target being hit at 1837. This is me attempting to get into Bitcoin this morning. I took a Bitcoin trade that worked out, as you can see here, but this area is profits from this Ripple trade. So 35, 40, and 31 for these positions. So pretty good profits here for a trade that took quite a while, but definitely worth the wait here. Let's see. But this is on tilt trading, and we'll see you next time.